So this is the DZ Tailgate Assist Kit for the Ford Ranger 19 Plus. I have a Ford Ranger 2020 here. Getting ready to install it. It says it's to be installed on the driver's side only. So here's the driver's side. Here's the very nice illustrated instructions, and we're going to go through it. The tools that you'll need is a T50 Torx bit. I have mine on a ratchet. A 6mm Allen wrench and a straight screwdriver. So the first thing it said to do was remove this top bolt here. This is the factory bolt on the tailgate hinge driver's side. So we've got it mostly removed now. The instructions specifically said do not remove the bottom bolt. Step 2 is to take the lower side of the tailgate assist and snap it onto this ball mount like that. Okay, step 3 was to attach with the new bolt that they supplied in the kit to this side, and don't tighten it all the way because it still needs to swivel. This bolt, now that the bracket's held in with this one, we're going to remove this bolt, we're going to lower this down, and we're going to put a new bolt in there. Alright, I've got the bottom bolt now in, and I got them both torqued down, and these have the blue thread lock already on the bolts, so they're actually quite hard to get in. So now that they're torqued with that thread lock on there, as most men say quite occasionally, that ain't going anywhere. So the next step is we're going to remove this this cable fastener up here, and we're going to install this bracket behind it and reinstall that factory bolt. The cable, taking it off the bracket, we've loosened the bracket, put this new bracket in behind there, and now we're tightening this back down. Now we are putting the factory tailgate cable back on there like that, and then the next step is to take the new tailgate assist, and I believe we're going to have to partially close the tailgate and then hook it right on that ball. About 2/3 of the way closed. I can just barely get my arm in there. I'm going to pop that onto that ball there. Hard to do with one hand. Let me come right back. Alright, I got it popped on there. I needed both hands for it. So now, it should let our tailgate down slowly. And that's the first time seeing that, so that was pretty neat. Let's try it again from a full close. Here we go, first time trying it from a full close. That is pretty neat. So 39 bucks and a long time waiting for shipping because of COVID-19. But I finally got it. It installed in less than 10 minutes, including shooting video time. And I am pretty happy with it. Let's try that one more time. Open it and let it fall. Very impressive. I love it. No more slamming tailgates open. Alright guys, that's it for now. Hope you enjoy your Ford Ranger, and go get you that little upgrade because it's going to be well worth it.